Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn very interesting poem from English Marigold book of CBSE class 4th. Student, before that I want to ask you one question. Have you ever cried? Yes, I think we all have cried many times. After crying, we all feel good. So let's start to read and understand the poem Crying. Crying. Read and enjoy. Crying only a little bit is no use. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. Then you can jump in the shower and splash and splash and splash. See students, in this poem, poet says crying a little bit is of no use. So we must cry until our pillow is totally soaked, totally wet with our tears. Then we can jump in the shower of our tear water, and then everywhere our tear water will be splash, splash, splash. Splash is liquid falling sound. See students, crying a little is of no use. You must cry till your pillow gets drenched with your tears. Only then you can be happy and jump in the shower. Now we will see next stanza of the poem. Then you can throw open your window and ha 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 ha. And if people say, hey, what's going on up there? Ha ha, sing back. Happiness was hiding in the last year. I wept it, ha ha. Students, here poet says after crying you want to open your window and throw your tears outside of the window and laugh heartily, ha ha ha, and tell all the people happiness was hiding in your last year. Now see once again in the explanation, only then you can laugh heartily. People may wonder at your activity, but don't mind. You just tell them that the happiness was lying in the last year. In other words, the last drop of tear carried happiness. Now we will see some new words of the poem. Soaked. Soaked means completely wet. Then second one is shower. Shower means bath in which water is sprayed from above. Then wept. Wept is the past tense of weep. It means shed tears or cried. Now you want to say aloud with me. Dash, bash, splash, cash, trash, steer, tear, clear, dear, dear, shower, power, tower, flower, mower, poked, croaked, soaked, stroked, joked, wept, kept, crept, leapt, slept. Oh, it's food for thought time, friends. When you have something serious to think about, then you have food for thought. Here is some food for your thought. Tomatoes are red. Beans are green. A brinjal has a crown, just like a queen. Then potatoes are brown. Onions are pink. Carrots have juice which I can drink, and vegetables make me healthy and wise. So eat some daily with roti and rice. Now we will see some questions and answers of the poem. So let's start with first question. According to the poet, should you cry a little or should you cry a lot? The answer is, according to the poet, we should cry a lot. We will see second number question. What can you do after crying a lot? Answer is, you can take a bath after crying a lot. Now we will see third number question. Read the first two lines of the poem. And is the mood happy, sad, angry, jealous, upset? And in the last few lines, the mood of the poet had changed. What is it now? It means you want to find out at the starting of the poem mood of poet, and at the end of the poem mood of the poet. And the answer is sad and cheerful. At the starting of the poem, poet's mood was sad, and at the end of the poem, poet's mood was cheerful. Now we will see next question. Question number 4. Are these sentences right or wrong? We want to find out given sentences are right or wrong with the help of poem. The poet says you must not cry much. Is it true? No, it's false. Then the poet says that you should cry till your pillow is soaked. Yes, correct. It is true sentence. Now we will see third number sentence. The poet says that after crying, you should open the window and laugh so that people will see that you are happy. Yes, correct. This is true sentence. The poet says that you should open the window and show people that you are crying. No, it's false sentence. Now we want to see next exercise. The word happiness end in ness and comes from the word happy. Write 3 words that end in the same way. Which words do they come from? Answer we will see in next sheet. Students, here are some words which ends with ness like happiness, polite, politeness, heartlessness, awareness. My dear little friends, I hope you have understood the poem. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe our channel to get more videos on NCERT classes.